8 impractical things you spend your money with. It probably happened to you already that you just intended to buy one thing at a store and ended up going out with 3, 5, or even 10 things in your hand. The reason can be because it was a mega sale, cheap products, or a buy one take one. Who wouldn't splurge on 50% off shoes, right? Or maybe a buy one take one non-stick pan. These purchases may seem alright and not worrisome, but that is very wrong. Although it may be a cheap or small purchase, when it is useless or not needed, it can be considered impractical. You will probably just let it sit in the storage room or throw it away. Being impractical will affect your spending habits negatively. So, what are these impractical things that you spend your money on? In this video, we will share with you 8 impractical things you spend your money with. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Money in Mind, a fun and friendly channel that will bring you high-quality financial advice towards happiness and success. Now, let's hop right in. Number 1. Expensive drinks. People love coffee. Do you love coffee? I bet you do. A great way to start your morning is by having a hot cup of coffee. So, you then proceed to buy at a very well-known coffee shop, which is Starbucks. You ordered a venti caramel macchiato, which cost you $4. Imagine buying a Starbucks drink 5 days a week for the whole year. You will end up spending $960 a year, not including those pastries with it. It is probably a good idea to start making your cup of coffee at home, which will cost you less than 50 cents. You can be your barista while saving money. The same goes for bottled water. Instead of buying too much bottled water, use your money to buy a water filtration system. Number 2. Always buying a new gadget. You probably get excited when Apple or Samsung announces their new flagship smartphones. You rush to the store and wait in line just to buy a new phone which costs over $1,000. Even when you have a perfectly working phone, you were brought by the hype to buy a new phone. Most of the time, new flagship phones don't have something new compared to their predecessors. Unless you own a Nokia 3310 or iPhone 3Gs, you probably want to change to a new phone. Flagship phones tend to last long as they have the most advanced features. To save money, buy a flagship phone, then prevent changing for a long period. App subscriptions. To attract customers into paying a subscription, they offer a free trial. It is when you can use the premium tools or features of the application just for a while. After the free trial ends, they will now charge you the subscription amount. These free trials tend to last 2 weeks and up to months. By that time, people forget that they are on a premium subscription. They will just be notified that they are already deducted for the payment on the subscription. Applications can get sneaky and make it hard for you to cancel subscriptions. Sometimes you don't bother having these subscriptions because they are cheap. According to a survey, the average person pays $86 on a subscription only, when in fact, when asked about specific subscriptions, they were spending much larger, which is $200 and more. You may pay small amounts for each subscription, but it can be hefty when it adds up. Number 4. Shipping fees. Who doesn't love online shopping? Everyone probably loves it. Just the convenience and the time you will save in shopping online is everything. And of course, the only way your item will be delivered to you is through shipment. Shipment fees can get high, especially when you buy in different stores or if it is located overseas. If the item you want to buy is available or cheaper at the local store, you should find time to go there instead. It will also help you know that you bought a legitimate and good product. If you need to buy it online, it is a good idea to buy at one store for the things you need to save on shipping fees. Instead of paying for multiple shipping fees, you only need to pay for one. You could even get a discount when you buy many products. Number 5. Impulsive buying. Just as mentioned earlier, has it ever happened to you that you were supposed to buy one thing at the store and ended up buying so much more? What just happened to you is an impulse buy. It is when you buy things without even thinking about them or you just suddenly bought them without a reason. At stores, many product advertisers will probably approach you to convince you to buy a product that you don't even need. You will most likely buy it in the end, especially if you are sales-stocked real good. The trick here is not to bring too much cash or a debit card. Just bring enough for what you need. Or if you are inclined into buying that product, go back a week after and see if you still want it. I assure you that the urge is probably gone. Impulsive buying can greatly affect your spending habits negatively, especially when dealing with large purchases. Number 6. Testing your luck at the casino. For some, gambling is just for fun, but for most, it is about multiplying your money. Who doesn't want their money to double or even triple, right? On some days, your money might multiply because of the casino. Then you will be coming back expecting to take home more money. Here comes the worst part. You will be losing. Therefore, you will be coming back to the casino again much more eager to win back the money you lose. That is how gambling works. If everyone keeps winning, then casinos would probably close down by now. Gambling will take back more money than what you have won. And gambling addiction has ruined many lives already. Did you know that actor Ben Affleck got rehabilitated in 2001 for his gambling addiction? Are you sure you are still inclined to test your luck? Lastly, number 8. Eating out. When you are tired and hungry, cooking is probably not one of your options. You would most likely go eat outside or order some food. Eating out or ordering food is not bad at all, if not done daily. Doing it always can hurt your monthly budget. Although food is the most important thing we need, it is still important that we try to save. Home-cooked meals are much cheaper. So next time, just prepare your pre-cooked weekly meal so that you can just reheat it. Cooking in large batches will also help you save more money than cooking daily. These small things may seem like not much, but trust me, it is more than you think. Reducing your spending on small impractical or unnecessary things will help you save more money. It will also help you differentiate what you need and what you do not need. And there you have it, 8 impractical things you spend your money with. What can you say about this video? Comment your thoughts down below, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to Money and Mind if you haven't yet. Stay tuned as we've got more content on financial advice coming very soon. Take care and we'll see you in the next video.